In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a saved debit card from your MoneyGram online profile. If you have an old card saved to your account, or you simply want to clean up your payment options, this is a quick and straightforward process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for on the screen and what to expect along the way. To begin, log into your MoneyGram online profile. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you've reached your main account dashboard before moving on. If the site asks you to complete any extra verification, go ahead and finish that first, since some account settings may not be accessible until you do. Once you're signed in, navigate to your profile settings and look for the section called Payment Methods. This is where MoneyGram stores the payment options linked to your account, including any saved debit cards. Depending on the device you're using, this section may appear in a menu under your account icon, profile tab, or settings area, so take a moment to find the right page. After you open Payment Methods, locate the saved debit card you want to remove. If you have more than one card listed, double-check the card details shown on the screen, such as the last few digits, so you delete the correct one. This is especially helpful if you've added multiple cards over time. Next, click the Delete or Remove button next to that card. The wording may vary slightly depending on the version of the website you're seeing, but the action is the same. Once you click it, MoneyGram will usually display a confirmation prompt. This extra step is there to help prevent accidental changes to your account. When prompted, confirm the deletion. After that, the card should be removed from your saved payment methods. In many cases, you'll see the card disappear from the list right away, or you may receive a brief confirmation message on the screen letting you know the update was successful. As a final tip, after removing the card, it's a good idea to stay on the payment methods page for a few seconds and verify that the card no longer appears. That way, you can be confident the change was completed properly. And that's it. That's how to remove a saved debit card from your MoneyGram online profile.